Hi plants lover, welcome back to my channel. I am Fariha and today we are going to talk about something magical, how plants sleep in winter. Did you know that most plants actually rest during the cold months? It's not just animals that hibernate, plants do too. This special resting time is called dormancy, and if you understand it well, you can save your plants, keep them healthy. So stay with me till the end because I am going to share some powerful tips to keep your plants happy even in the coldest month. Dormancy is like your plant's winter sleep. During this time, your plants slow down their growth to survive harsh weather. The cold, low light, and short days signal the plants to pause. Instead of growing, it saves energy and protect itself. But why do plants go to sleep? There is real science behind this. Temperature. Cold slow everything down just like we feel lazy in winter. Number 2, light. Shorter days means less energy for photosynthesis. Number 3, water. Less evaporation means less need for nutrition. Number 4, plants are smart. Instead of wasting energy, they save it. Now, how can you tell if your plant is sleeping and not dying? The key signs are yellow and brown leaves falling, slow and no new growth. Stems may look dry, but roots are fine. Soil stay moist longer because the plant drinks less. Some indoor plants just pause instead of full sleep. This is the most important part, how to take care of your plants during their sleep. Number 1, water less. Check the soil first, only water when it's fully dry. Too much water can cause root rot and use room temperature water. Number 2, give gentle light. Place near a window with a soft indirect light. Rotate pots weekly to balance growth. If your plant loves sun, use growth light for 2 to 4 hours. Number 3, stop fertilizing. No food during rest. They wouldn't use it. Fertilizing now can stress the plant. Gently remove dry leaves. It keeps the plant clean and prevent reporting. Wake the plants early. Wait for the spring. Winter is for resting, not for growth. Number 6 is keep away from heater or the cold winds. Avoid sudden temperature change. Not all plants sleep the same way. Rose, tulips, fully dormancy. These are the outdoor plants, and the others indoor plants like rubber plant, money plant are slow growth but not full sleep. Tropical plants may need extra warmth to stay semi active. When the cold ends, it's time to gently wake them up. Slowly increasing watering and fertilize after new leaves appear. Move back to bright sunlight. Trim out stems to encourage fresh growth. Watch the magic happen, new life and new energy. Many people lose plants in winter because of simple mistakes. Let's avoid them. Overwatering, giving fertilizer too early, moving plants too much, assuming the plant is dead, and keeping plants near heater. Here are some extra golden tips for you. And number 1 is use mulch on outdoor plants to protect roots. Mist tropical plants lightly. Clean leaves gently to help with light absorption. Group plants together, it creates a microclimate and keep them cozy. I often get these questions from my viewers. Let me answer a few. My plant look dead. How do I know if it's alive? Scratch the stems gently. If it's green, then it's mean it's alive. Can I use grow lights all winter? Yes, but keep it natural, don't overexpose. Number 3 question, why are my leaves turning yellow? That is the normal during the dormancy, just don't overwater. So my friends, dormancy is not something to be afraid of. It's a gift of nature. Your plants are resting to come back strong in spring. With just a little care, your garden or house plants will thrive beautifully. If you learned something new today, give this video a big like, share it with your plants lover friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more plant tips. Comment below which plant is in your home goes to sleep in winter. I would love to hear your stories.